Good morning, guys. I just woke up, that's why I sound like a boy, but we got places to go, people to see, so let's get ready. I love my mom. Our house is already decorated for Christmas. My mom did this literally like 2 weeks before Thanksgiving. As you can see, she's obsessed with snowmen and stuff, so that's good. They remind me of New York. They scare me. So today I'm gonna be doing a holiday get ready with me just because the holiday season is among us and I could not be more happy. I'm looking kind of rough, so let's go fix that. This is my current stash of Christmas candles. You guys, I went crazy. In my defense, I never paid full price for any of these because like sometimes there were really good sales and I was like, I have to get them, I don't have a choice. A lot of them are for gifts and that's why I got doubles, but these smell so good. And then in the bathroom, I got like 5 hand soaps. This one's my favorite, but that's how you know I'm getting old, is because I get excited about soap now. I might start getting wrinkles soon too. Here's a fun fact that I don't really tell anyone. I clean my ears every day, which I don't know if you should be doing that, but life's too short. Just because I have the biggest fear that someone will be looking at me from the side and they're gonna tell me, you have earwax in your ear. Like, that is just so gross. And I never want anyone to tell me that, so I clean my ears every day. Just girly things. Okay, so I'm gonna do some skincare. I wanted to thank Frank Body for sponsoring this video. I've worked with them before, so I'm excited to work with them again. So I'm gonna be using their Originals kit. It comes with the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub, the Espresso Coffee Scrub, a creamy face scrub, and the lip scrub. That is perfect for me. I plan on scrubbing off all of my imperfections today. I have some breakouts right now. I have some pre-existing acne scars, which is so fun. So my skin's feeling a little rough. So we're gonna see what we can do about that. I look like an English schoolboy. This is so nice. I look like a new person. What's in this stuff? So I already showered last night, but if I was showering, I'd use one of these. They're like coffee scrubs. I am so excited to use these because my face feels so good right now and I want my whole body to feel this good. All their stuff is natural and cruelty-free, which is really amazing. And regular use helps with like scars and marks and it targets breakouts, so it's super good. I'm actually gonna use their lip scrub right now. It looks like this. It is so cute. I put too much. If you have a significant other, especially during the holiday season, and you know, you happen to be under the mistletoe, this is great because your lips will be soft. I personally won't be able to experience that, but you can, so good for you. Wow. So that's what I'm doing for skincare today. This is the Frank Body's Originals kit. I'll have a link in the description if you want to check it out. Now for the outfit. This is from Forever 21. I saw it and I thought it would either be really ugly or really cute. So hopefully it'll look cute, might not. Plus it was only $10, so. I'm going to clean my room and then I'm gonna curl my hair a little bit more and then we'll do the makeup. Okay, so now I'm gonna be doing makeup. I haven't done makeup in a while on this channel just because I didn't want to. Never do anything you don't wanna do, but I actually wanna do it now. So, things change. But I actually like to believe that my skills have somewhat improved. I don't wanna say that I don't know what I'm doing anymore because you know what? I do know what I'm doing. For the most part. I'm trying my best. And that's all that matters. So I'm gonna be doing more of like a holiday look. A lot of my looks are normally the same and people always point that out. So I'm gonna change it up today. And then I also asked you guys to ask me questions on Instagram. So we're gonna be answering those. The first thing that I'm using is the Mario Badescu facial spray with lavender. It smells like lavender and it kind of matches with my shirt. So that's why we're using it. Oh. Ellie asked, what crayon color is your favorite to eat sushi with? Are you okay, Ellie? She is something else, but I love her though. My favorite color crayon to eat sushi with is probably clear. I'm actually gonna be using a lot of different products that I don't normally use in this video just to change it up. So I'm using the Too Faced Hangover RX Face Primer. I have the mini size because I don't wanna buy the big size. Too much money, honey. Ooh. Looks like this. I'm gonna put it on my face. The next question is, how is it like being hot? It actually sucks because it's the winter and it's like still hot in Hawaii. It's like kind of cold in the morning and the night. It gets to like 66 degrees, which is like really cold for us locals here. So yeah, that's what it's like being hot. You're always hot because it never gets really cold here. However, when it gets into the winter seasons like December, January, February, it gets like to 55 in the mornings and at night, which is freezing. I don't know how the rest of you guys do it. Sometimes you guys are like, oh my god, it's like negative 20 degrees. I would die. Now I'm gonna use foundation. This is the Peach Perfect by Too Faced. I really like it. And then we're gonna use my really nasty, old, and dirty beauty blender, which is really healthy for you, really safe. So that is so dark. What is your advice for getting over a boy that you were never with, but you just like? I feel you. It sucks when you were never with someone, but you still have to get over them, even though you never dated. It's such a weird concept, but I know you guys probably know what I'm talking about. I would say you don't. I feel like there's no real recipe for getting over someone except for time, giving time to yourself, loving yourself, and spending time with like other relationships that you have, like your family, your friends, whatever, like focusing on those relationships. Can't really help you there, girl. I'm still figuring that out myself. The concealer that I'm gonna use is the Sephora Collection Bright Future Concealer. It's like my favorite one. And I'm just gonna dot that over my eyes. I already get no sleep. Why did you quit playing volleyball? If you guys didn't know, I used to be like a volleyball player. I played for school. I was on varsity from freshman year, and then I played club volleyball, but I quit. That sounds really bad. I mean, I was doing it since I was in 6th grade, and then last year, I decided that I could not commit 100% of my energy into YouTube and volleyball. I would only have to give 50-50, and I don't like to do things halfway. If I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna like go full force and put all my effort into it, and I couldn't just like split my time, so that's why I quit. Football guys or basketball guys? Okay, here's the thing. Football guys usually will break your heart or play you most of the time. I've never experienced basketball boys. They're probably the same. All boys, well, not all boys. Most boys are the same. But if you happen to find a good one, good for you. You're lucky. However, if they weren't such little animals, I would pick football boys just because. Plus, football guys, it's just so easy to like them because when you see them on the field, you don't see their actual face. You just see like them with their helmet on. And then when they take their helmet off, you're like, what? Oh, this makes my arms look so long. I'm gonna use the Sephora Collection Powder Foundation, so it looks like this. It's a little bit light, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Why don't you have a boyfriend, sis? That is a good question, Miss Caitlin. Why don't I have a boyfriend, guys? Come on. I'm using the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer in the shade Bronze. Just add in some dimension to my face. Next, I'm gonna use some blush. This is the NARS blush in the shade Orgasm, and I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks. I think during the holidays, having like a nice rosy glow is just so cute. And I really want to look cute. I need some help with that, so that's what we're doing. How do you know who's your real friends and who's your fake friends? I feel like when you know, you just know. If the energy is not being reciprocated, I feel like that's a big indicator. If the energy isn't being reciprocated, like if you're putting in so much of your time, effort, and love into a person and they're not like reciprocating it back, or they don't like say thank you, or they don't appreciate like the things that you do for them, then they're probably not a real friend. I feel like it's different for every situation, but I mean, if they're like constantly leaving you out, they don't really like care about your feelings, and that's probably an indicator that they are a fake friend. The highlight that I'm gonna use is the Milk Makeup. I think this is like the shimmery glowing primer. That is definitely not the name. This is just very subtle, so I'm just gonna put this on my cheeks. You're supposed to use this under your makeup actually, but we don't follow the rules here. There are over 30 questions asking why I don't have a boyfriend. This one says, I mean, you don't need one, but I'm confused on how you never had one. I have like talked to boys and stuff and just never like an official, you are my boyfriend, I'm gonna announce you to the world, I'm gonna announce you to my YouTube. Never that, but I think it's good to keep things private sometimes. I mean, I've like talked to guys, it's just never, well, okay, this is getting a little personal. So, fun fact, in case you can't tell, I actually have eyelash extensions, and you're not supposed to do eyeshadow with eyelash extensions, but we're gonna do eyeshadow. Are your parents divorced? No. My mom and dad, we are one happy family, and the reason I only show my mom most of the time is just because she's always home and my dad's like usually at work. The eyeshadow that I'm using is from the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat Palette. I want to go for more of a warm tone look, so I'm going to take the orangey shade right here and put that in my crease. Have you lived in Hawaii your whole life? Yes, I've never moved away from here. It's just a different lifestyle, I feel like, obviously. I mean, you live on an island. That is crazy. That's like actually terrifying. What if like a tsunami comes and boom, whole population is washed out and then I'm dead? So that's terrifying. Do you plan on being a YouTuber for a long time and being like those other oldies who are almost 30 still making kitty content? Oh, she's calling everyone out. No, I don't plan on doing that. I want to ride it out for as long as I can. And I mean, if it evolves into something else, like a family channel or something, like maybe I'll bring it back. But I feel like at some point,
when I'm in my 20s, somewhere along there. I think a lot of things are gonna change. Obviously, I'm not gonna be the same like person and stuff, and whatever I wanna do when I'm at that age, I'll see. But what I see right now, I feel like I'm 18 now. Maybe I'd keep making videos till I'm like 22 or 20. I honestly like don't know, because you never know what's gonna happen. We will see. You can never predict the future, that's the thing. Because if you think about where you were at a year ago, you probably didn't think you would be doing what you're doing now. I forgot to do my eyebrows. I was wondering why I was looking so whack. So this is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Adding some to the end to make it longer, and then to the front, almost like a unibrow, but not quite a unibrow. Okay. To make this look a full-on holiday look, I'm gonna use the NYX Suede Matte Lipstick in the shade Spicy. It is a full-on red color, kind of going with the whole like red, trying to like match all of that. I think red is the best holiday color ever, so. Ooh. Yes. I messed up. Frick. Mom! That is the lips. I feel like this is so holiday and I freaking love it. Answer one more question. What is your favorite emoji? The one that's like cross-eyed and then it's like, you know, I'll insert it because I'm probably doing it very bad, but it looks like, I don't know what I'm doing. So this is my get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the final holiday look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We got the red lip, we got glowy makeup. If you stayed all the way to this point in the video, first of all, you're amazing because I probably wouldn't have it. Second of all, comment down below turkey. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Here's today's babe of the week. Thank you guys so much for tagging me in your edits. You guys are awesome. You know, I love you so much. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to. It's free. People like free things. So please do it. See you next time, okay? Love you. Bye.